In this video, I'll guide you through how to automatically assign a company owner in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a growing list of contacts or simply want to streamline your workflow, this feature can save you time and ensure that your records remain organized. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the settings icon in HubSpot, which looks like a small gear. This icon is your gateway to all the customization and automation options available to you. Once you click on it, a menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Objects and then choose Contacts. This path is essential because it leads you to the correct section where you can set up your automation preferences. As you scroll through the contact settings, you'll find a section dedicated to automation. This is where the magic happens. Look for the toggle option that says Assign Company Owner to Contact by default. Make sure to switch this toggle on. By doing this, you're telling HubSpot to automatically assign the company owner to any new contact that gets added to your database. Now, let's break down how this setting works and why it's beneficial. Imagine you're adding a new contact, perhaps a lab researcher, to your HubSpot CRM. As soon as this contact is entered, HubSpot will automatically create a corresponding company record for them. The beauty of this automation is that the company record will automatically inherit your ownership. This means that you, as the owner, will be assigned to the company without any extra steps. It's like having a virtual assistant ensuring that every new contact is properly linked to the right company owner, creating a seamless experience. This feature is particularly useful for sales teams or account managers who need to maintain clear oversight of who is responsible for each account. It eliminates the need for manual assignment, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring that no contact falls through the cracks. Additionally, by automating this process, you free up time for more critical tasks, such as nurturing leads or closing deals. HubSpot's automation ensures that your CRM remains efficient and that your team can focus on what matters most, building relationships and driving growth. In summary, this simple tweak in your HubSpot settings can significantly enhance your productivity and accuracy when managing contacts and their associated companies. By automatically assigning company owners, you maintain a structured and efficient CRM system, which is essential for any business aiming to keep its operations smooth and successful. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to set up this automation in HubSpot. Don't forget to explore other automation features within HubSpot to further streamline your processes and make the most out of your CRM system. Thanks for watching and happy automating.